Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma design for an app. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Select a mobile frame preset like iPhone 15 Pro to ensure your canvas is correctly sized for app screens. Organize your work by creating separate pages for different sections of your app, keeping your project tidy and easy to navigate. This foundational setup is crucial for an efficient design workflow. Next, focus on building your user interface. Create reusable components for elements such as buttons, icons, and input fields. This saves time and ensures consistency across your app. Utilize auto layout to make your designs responsive, allowing elements to adjust automatically. Define and apply consistent color and text styles throughout your project to maintain a cohesive visual language and streamline updates. Now, bring your static designs to life through prototyping. Switch to the Prototype tab in Figma and connect your frames to simulate user interactions, like tapping a button to navigate to a new screen. Add engaging animations and transitions to create a realistic user experience. Regularly test your prototype on a mobile device to identify any issues and refine the user flow for optimal usability. Finally, prepare your design for collaboration and development handoff. Share your Figma file with team members to gather feedback and ensure everyone is aligned. Export necessary assets, such as icons and images, in various formats for developers. Grant developers access to your Figma file, allowing them to inspect design properties and extract CSS code directly, which streamlines the implementation process significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.